The DJI Osmo Pocket series has been a favorite choice for content creators looking for a portable, high-quality camera. Whether you're a vlogger, travel enthusiast, or filmmaker, the Osmo Pocket's compact design and impressive capabilities have made it a go-to option. But with the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, we're expecting a significant leap forward. This new model is rumored to come with a variety of groundbreaking features, potentially changing the game for pocket-sized cameras. Let's dive into the leaks, rumors, and everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4's new design. With a larger display, one of the most significant changes in the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its design. While the previous versions had smaller screens, the Pocket 4 is rumored to have a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen. This screen upgrade would not only provide a more user-friendly experience, but also improve visibility in bright environments, making it easier to frame shots on the go. The new screen is said to have a resolution of 480 x 800 pixels and offer a brightness level of 800 nits, which would be a noticeable improvement for creators working outdoors. Along with this, the camera body is expected to have an ergonomic design with improved button placement, making the camera more comfortable for extended use. Enhanced sensor and image quality. One of the most exciting features of the DJI Pocket 4 is the upgraded image quality. It is rumored to include a larger 1-inch sensor that can capture more light, offering better performance in low-light conditions. This new sensor, coupled with a 20mm f2.0 lens, is expected to produce sharper images with improved depth and color accuracy. Additionally, the Pocket 4 might support 10-bit color depth, offering more flexibility in post-production, especially for color grading. This makes it an ideal tool for professional creators who need cinematic quality footage with precise control over color and contrast. The Pocket 4's ISO range is also expected to span from 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, further enhancing its versatility in different lighting situations. The addition of HDR recording and D-Log-M will allow users to capture footage with expanded dynamic range, improving the overall visual appeal of their content. Cutting-edge autofocus and stabilization. Another rumor circulating about the DJI Pocket 4 is its autofocus system. The camera is expected to feature advanced phase detection autofocus, along with eye-tracking technology. This would make the Pocket 4 capable of maintaining focus on moving subjects more reliably, something that the previous model struggled with in certain conditions. For vloggers or anyone shooting fast-paced content, this improved autofocus will be a major upgrade. The Pocket 4 is also expected to come with enhanced gimbal stabilization. Combining mechanical and electronic stabilization, the new model is said to offer incredibly smooth footage, even during high-motion activities like sports or fast-moving scenes. 4K video at 240 FPS, slow-motion capabilities. For creators who love working with slow-motion footage, the DJI Pocket 4 promises an exciting upgrade. With the ability to shoot 4K video at an impressive 240 FPS, the Pocket 4 will deliver smoother slow-motion footage compared to its predecessor. This increased frame rate opens up new possibilities for creative shots, providing greater flexibility for content creators to explore unique filming techniques. Smart features for easy content creation. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to be packed with intelligent features aimed at making content creation even easier. One of the most exciting rumors is the inclusion of Active Track 7.0, which is designed to combine phase detection and eye tracking for even more accurate subject tracking. This will be particularly useful for vloggers, action shooters, or anyone filming dynamic scenes where maintaining focus on a subject is essential. The new processor powering the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to handle larger data rates, facilitate real-time HDR previews, and offer better overall computational photography. These upgrades will streamline the creative process, making it faster and more efficient for creators to capture and edit high-quality footage. Battery life and charging. Improvements. Battery life is always a crucial consideration for any portable camera. Fortunately, the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to include significant improvements in this area. With a more efficient power management system, the Pocket 4 is expected to allow longer shooting sessions, even with the added power demands of the larger screen and improved processor. Additionally, Fast charging capabilities will be a major perk for content creators on the go. The Pocket 4 is said to support full charging in just 25 minutes when using DJI's PD charger, a significant improvement over the previous model's 32-minute charge time. The exact battery capacity is still a mystery, but it's expected to exceed the Pocket 3's 300mm battery, offering even more recording time. Price and release date expectations. As for the release date, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's usual 3-year release cycle. When it does arrive, the base model is rumored to be priced at $699, with the Creator Combo version costing $799. This price increase over the previous model reflects the enhanced features, such as the larger screen, improved stabilization, and upgraded image quality. While this price point may make the Pocket 4 a more premium offering, its enhanced features are expected to position it as an invaluable tool for serious creators, especially those who rely on portable cameras for high-quality footage. DJI and Huawei, a potential game-changer? In other news, there have been rumors swirling about a possible collaboration between DJI and Huawei in the camera space. DJI is already well known for its imaging technology, especially in stabilization and intelligent shooting modes, while Huawei has long been a leader in mobile photography with its computational imaging expertise. Together, these two tech giants could potentially shake up the camera market with a new breed of mirrorless or DSLR cameras. This partnership could see DJI's expertise in sensor technology, optics, and image processing, combined with Huawei's advances in computational photography and artificial intelligence. The result could be a camera system that not only offers superior image quality, but also intuitive AI-driven features to make content creation easier than ever. Conclusion. As we wait for the official announcement from DJI, the rumors surrounding the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 are certainly exciting. With major upgrades to the screen, image quality, stabilization, and smart features, the Pocket 4 promises to be a powerful tool for content creators looking for a compact, high-performance camera. Whether it's for vloggers, travelers, or filmmakers, the Pocket 4 looks poised to push the boundaries of what we can expect from portable cameras.